Kia ora everybody. Hey, if you've ever watched reality food television, then you've probably heard people talk about the traditions associated with food and everybody getting round the kitchen table and enjoying each other. What you probably haven't heard about are the traditions associated with cultivation and gardening. So we, or humans, have been cultivating the earth for thousands of years. And of course, there were a lot of traditions and benefits that came from gardening itself. The act of gardening, the mahi, the work that you had to do to get the food onto the table, which of course was a celebration for the effort that everybody had put in. Now this site is about the benefits of gardening. Now we really do want whānau to be growing their own food. One of the first benefits is a little bit of self-reliance, because food security is something that we've all become well aware of now, and the cost of living. Secondly, we'd like to look at mental health and what it does for you in the garden, in these green spaces, what it allows your mind to be able to do in terms of focus. And there's a lot of research around this. Also the physical benefits of just physical activity rather than, say, going to the gym. And of course it's quite sustainable. We all know about global warming and sustainability and the amount of resources that are available for us. Having your own garden, even if it's on a windowsill, is contributing to reducing carbon emissions. You cannot waste food if you grow it yourself, because nobody had to transport it to you. There were no petroleum products used in the packaging of it. You can put it back into your compost, going through the cycle again. So there's so many benefits to doing it yourself. Next, I would love to know about a lot of those old traditions from the cultures globally around gardening itself, and let's start hearing some of those stories. The next thing I'd like to talk about or research into are the social benefits of gardening. So how you can use it within your whānau, your family, to teach especially children the skills of long-term planning, of patience, of consensus, of cooperation. And there are so many others. What we're talking about here really is a classroom about how to act, behave as a society, at the same time giving ourselves so many benefits.